Okay, this is best midfielders channel for best players. We'll be talking about the best midfielders in our channel. So it's Max Bed. We'll be talking about Max Bed. Please subscribe and like the channel. Max Bed is 22 years of age. He plays in Derby County. The position he plays is defensive midfield. Now, what we'll be talking about this player is the chances created, which is the player key passes, the key passes made by this player and his assist. Then the tackles one, which is the player marking ability, agility, how strong and how good he is in marking. Then interception is winning possession, winning the ball from the opponent. These are the three criteria we will use in judging these players, midfielder. Max Bed is season 2019-2020. The games he started at 21. The chances created, the created chances were 19, which is less than the game started. The tackles one was 16, less than the game started. The interception was 23. The goals he had was 0 and assist, which was a bad season for him. Max Bed in his next season 2020-2021, the games started was 21. The chances created or the created chances was 18. The tackles one, now we are talking, he made 33 tackles one. In interception, he made 29 interception. The goals he had was 0 and the assist was 0 too. Not better than the last season. Now, let's talk about his 2021-2022 season. The games started was 41 games started. The chances created or the created chances, key passes he made was 40. The tackles one was 35. Then interceptions made in these games were 43. The goals he had was 2 and the assist he made was 2. In this current season we are Max Bed, the season 2022-2023, the games started at 25 games started. The created chances is 26. The tackles one was 22. Then interceptions made was 29. The goals he had was 1. The assists he has made so far is 4 assists, which is a good season for him. Like and subscribe if you like the information.